Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, my sister and colleague, the Minister for Tourism and Wildlife, Rebecca Miano, Her Excellency, the Governor of Nakuru, Honorable Susan Kihika, the Chairman of our Parliamentary Committee and member for Nakuru Town, other members of Parliament present, senior security heads present from all our security sector, and Principal Secretary led by our own Principal Secretary. Your Excellency, and the board chair and the board members of Kenya Forest Service. Your Excellency, we are today greatly honored by your presence as we witness a new cohort of the Kenya Forest Service cadets and foresters passing out. We also want to acknowledge the presence of other distinguished partners and guests. It's with profound gratitude, Your Excellency, that I stand before you here today on behalf of the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, with a very deep appreciation to you, Your Excellency, for your unwavering commitment, leadership, and outstanding support of the sustainable management of the Kenyan environmental sector, including our precious forest resources and our country's bold climate action. In the last 2 years, Your Excellency, under your leadership, Kenya has earned great recognition as a global leader in promoting environmental sustainability and climate action. This is due to your proactive leadership, your sustained political commitment, and today Kenya has developed very strong policy framework, ambitious reforestation goals, strategic investment in renewable energy, and active participation in international climate diplomacy. Your Excellency, we acknowledged the budgetary and policy support you have given us in the implementation of the 15 billion tree growing campaign program. A very noble, a transformative initiative to address the critical challenges of climate change, water scarcity, land degradation, biodiversity loss, while also at the same time, Your Excellency, creating jobs, improving livelihoods, building resilience of our local communities and the national economy against any climate change and climate vulnerability. Finally, Your Excellency, we cannot overemphasize the relevance of the recently launched Climate Resilience Service Program, known as Climate Works Mtaani Initiative. That will also help the 15 billion tree growing campaign program with the objective of creating unemployment opportunities for over 200,000 youth annually. Your Excellency, today is your day. We, the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, we are very, very happy. It's under your leadership since 2002 that over 2,600 rangers were recruited, trained, and you officiated the passing out parade. Today we have the cadets and our technical team comprising over 576. That is an indication, that is a commitment that you and your government has shown to conserving our environment, our forest, and we want to commit as a ministry that by 2032, our forest cover, inshallah, will move from the current 12.7 to 32%. With those many remarks, it's my duty and honor to ask everybody to stand up and welcome His Excellency to address this great pass-out parade. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much.
Tafadhali wale mlio na viti mnaweza kuketi chini. Asanteni sana. Mawaziri mlio hapa, makatibu, gavana wetu wa jimbo hili la Nakuru, Mheshimiwa Susan Kihika, pamoja na mwenyekiti wa kamati ya bunge kuhusu mambo ya mazingira, Mheshimiwa Gikaria, mwenyekiti wa Kenya Forest Service na board members, chief